Are you feeling off, but can't quite pinpoint why? You might be experiencing leaky gut syndrome, a condition that affects your overall health. Let's explore what it is, what causes it, and how to heal your gut naturally. Leaky gut syndrome occurs when your intestines become overly permeable. This means that undigested food, toxins, and bacteria slip into your bloodstream. This can trigger inflammation and lead to chronic health issues. The gut barrier is crucial. It controls what enters the blood. When it's healthy, it blocks harmful substances. However, stress, poor diet, medication, and more can compromise this barrier. Dr. Alessio Fasano, a leading researcher, revealed zonulin as the protein that regulates gut permeability. High zonulin levels increase intestinal permeability, leading to a cascade of health issues. Conditions like autoimmune diseases, IBS, and even anxiety can stem from leaky gut. So, what causes leaky gut? It's multifaceted. Gluten and dietary proteins can trigger zonulin release. Antibiotics disrupt the gut microbiome, while ultra-processed foods contain additives that damage the gut lining. Stress increases permeability, and environmental toxins contribute to the problem. Additionally, sleep deprivation and chronic inflammation can further exacerbate the situation. If you suspect your gut health is compromised, here are signs to look for. Symptoms include bloating, food sensitivities, brain fog, skin issues, joint pain, and chronic fatigue. Understanding these signs can help you connect the dots. Healing leaky gut involves a multi-step approach. Begin by removing triggers such as gluten, sugary foods, and certain medications. Next, repair your gut lining using herbs like slippery elm, aloe vera, and turmeric. Rebuild your microbiome through fermented foods and prebiotics. Don't forget to support your lymphatic system for optimal healing. What you eat matters. Incorporate high-water content fruits, cooked greens, bone broth, and healthy fats. Avoid gluten, refined sugars, and ultra-processed foods that harm your gut barrier. For a daily gut healing tonic, mix slippery elm, marshmallow root, aloe vera, L-glutamine, turmeric, and honey in warm water. Consume this before breakfast to support your gut health. In conclusion, leaky gut syndrome is a crucial aspect of overall wellness. By understanding its causes and taking steps to heal, you can improve your health significantly. Start your journey to gut health today. Consult a healthcare provider for a tailored approach to your needs and explore these natural remedies. Your gut will thank you.